Each step a whisper, soft and slow. In this forest, time begins to flow. Red leaves, yellow leaves, falling all around. In the forest, peace is found. A quiet breeze, a sense of change. Nature's colors rearrange. The air is crisp, the earth is still. The forest holds a quiet thrill. As leaves descend like a gentle rain, I feel the world begin to change. Red leaves, yellow leaves, falling all around. In the forest, peace is found. A quiet breeze, a sense of change.